Hey, welcome back to Crypto Riches, the channel that guides you through the beautiful and exciting world of crypto. I'm Delshad, and in this video, we're breaking down one of the most popular decentralized exchanges out there. Uniswap. Have you ever wondered how Uniswap works? What it is that makes it different from centralized exchanges? And also, what the Uni token is all about? If you have, then I can guarantee you that you're in the right place. Let's go. All right, let's make this super simple. Imagine you're a potato farmer from thousands of years ago. You're growing your potatoes, but you want apples. So what do? You go straight to your apple farming friend and trade your potatoes for apples. No middlemen, no extra fees, just good old barter system. Now, fast forward to today. Instead of bartering, you'd sell those potatoes for cash. Then you take that cash to a grocery store and buy apples. But as you know, the store adds its own fee for making that exchange happen. And this, my friends, is where Uniswap comes in to save the day. Uniswap is like that ancient barter system, but for crypto. It lets you swap one cryptocurrency, let's say Ethereum, for another directly, like basic attention token, without needing a centralized exchange. And the best part is that there are no middlemen and no ridiculous fees. It's all powered by smart contracts, so it's fully decentralized and it's pretty sweet. Uniswap runs on liquidity pools, and what do I mean by that? Well, picture a giant bin filled with both Ethereum and basic attention tokens, BAT. When you want to swap, Uniswap dips into this pool and exchanges your Ethereum for BAT on the spot. The price you pay depends on supply and demand within that pool. So now I bet you're wondering where this pool of tokens even come from. Well, that's where the liquidity providers step in. People like you can provide liquidity by adding your tokens to that pool. And in return, you get a small fee every time someone trades using your tokens. So basically, you're keeping the whole thing running smoothly while earning some extra crypto on the side. Okay, moving on. Let's cover what the deal really is with the Uni token. Uni is Uniswap's native token. Right now, it doesn't have a ton of utility, but in the future, Uni holders might have voting power to make changes to the Uniswap platform. So owning Uni could give you a voice in shaping how Uniswap grows and evolves. So that's Uniswap in a nutshell, a decentralized way to swap tokens, dodge high fees, and even make some extra crypto as a liquidity provider. I hope this cleared up what makes Uniswap such a game changer in the crypto world. If this video helped, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking to dive deeper into the world of DeFi, crypto exchanges, and all the latest in the crypto space, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. Important note, always do your own research. All right, crypto fam. Thanks for watching, and as always, may your wallets be full and your trades be smooth. See you in the next video. Have a good one.